Alright, look like the skies done opened up on us, y'all. Party is over. We'll try it some other time when it dries up. But we definitely gonna go ahead and button things up to where we not looking for anything, because we know everything's here. So we'll just close the hood down ever so slightly and come back and visit it again. 99 Silverado GMC, however you want to say it, it's all about the same.
Yeah, swaps and stuff, rims big as monster trucks, wide harnesses, yeah, boy, we stock them up. Hit subscribe so you know you stay in the loop. Hit the bell, new videos coming soon. Yeah, swaps and stuff, rims big as monster trucks, wide harnesses, yeah, boy, we stock them up. Hit subscribe so you know you stay in the loop. Hit the bell, new videos coming soon.
Swaps and stuff. Boom, and we continuing. I didn't get to show y'all, but we did get the head on the last video. Now he's cleaning up with the steamer. Steamer does pretty good, man. I was telling him, I said, I think I need to get me one. Give it a try. You know? They said that would make sense. All that steam coming off there, whatever it is that you steaming off, you're inhaling those vapors, so you might want to be careful there. But yeah, so I'm gonna finish the heads, all that stuff, bolt everything back in, flush everything out, and go from there, man. For the most part, you know, it's a straightforward project, opposite of the way you took it apart. Head bolts, torque them down, exhaust manifold, torque them down, intake manifold, gasket, coil packs, spark plug wires, all that good stuff. So definitely got to do all that, so ain't no big deal there. But it is had a power steering pump leak at one time, so that's what you see in there is a lot of that. The power steering pump is now, that leak is now fixed. And like I said, the water pump didn't have to be removed for this because all our work is right there. But it just gives you that much more clearance, I think. So we'll come back once we get a little closer to being able to do something different other than look at it. You know, I'm gonna move this because I don't want no boats falling into that engine. Ooh, that's a bad thing. But all right, man. Well, I am gonna say this. I had one boat back here. One head boat back there. And that dude's a doozy to get to torque down. I mean, it'll make it happen, but it is a doozy. All right, y'all. We got the head torqued down. We got the exhaust manifold bolted back on. So, man, look at it. Y'all remember? You remember how bad they look? The push rods look. They're ready now. They're ready. So we're gonna drop the push rods in, rocker arms in, and then intake back on. And then from there, you know, like I said, you do everything backwards of what you did before. So, but we definitely go to clean this off because we got some new water pump gaskets. Again, we didn't necessarily have to pull that off, but we did. I think I'm gonna spray it. So I'm gonna spray it down a little more so we get a little bit more off from it. I got my wire wheel. Might use it, knock some of that off. Remember I was saying what we got here, 4853. I still can't see it. Let me get a screwdriver just to see. Hold on. And well, you already know. There it is. There she is. This is a boosted booster. Ready for it, y'all. Ready for the boost, baby. Ready for it, the boost. 4853. We know this is a flat top stroker motor. A D-stroke motor, y'all. So Yep, there she goes right there. You can't make it out very well, but that's it right there. I can see it. I can see it. Yeah, you might be able to see a little bit of it, but that's it. Like I said, we're gonna reverse what we put on. There is a difference in the heads there. We might try to clean this up a little more. We do got new intake gaskets. We got to get this going tonight. Have to get it going tonight. Got to be in the traffic tomorrow. Don't want to be out here in the rain again. But we see some stars a little bit tonight. A couple stars tonight. So let me get back to it. Well, I'll come back and get a little bit more done. Coming together nicely. Water pump. Power steering pump. Alternator bracket. 4 packs. And then injectors. Spark plug wires. I think we're ready to start it up. That's what I think. We're getting there, man. We're getting there. We are getting there. Little more. Spark plugs are in over here. 4 packs are in right there. Need to put the spark plugs in over here. And water pump lines and fan blade. And we back in there, y'all. We're gonna fire this dude up, hopefully. Alright, we back together. Somewhat. Now I'm going opposite course with the crescent, y'all. I'm gonna go ahead and hit it. Opposite. Got all my cooling lines hooked up. 4 packs hooked up. Spark plug wires hooked up, but 2. Spark plugs in. The white stuff you're seeing is some lithium. White lithium. So I'm gonna go ahead and tighten this up, put my cover back on. Finish filling up the reservoir, well, coolant. I usually take and I usually fill them up right here. I'll take and fill it up from this because it ain't like a regular old school radiator where you can fill directly into the radiator. You'll fill it up here. Then it's got to go through all the system and all that good stuff. It definitely helps when it's running, trying to do that. But then if you get an air pocket, which this line here is supposed to keep from happening, steam vent line, but still it happens. It can still happen. I just dealt with it on my daily. So that's why I fill it up here until I get coolant coming out of here. Then I go ahead and put the line back on. Then I go over here and fill up because the heater core, it don't have anything in it. You know what I mean? And so that's a good place to probably another spot where air pockets can start. You know, you can get an air pocket in the heater core line. So main thing is trying to get that out too. You know what I mean? So let me get back to it. Almost done, man. Almost done. All the way back together, good people. All the way. Gotta do some double checking. Something ain't jiving. All the way together. All the way.